Hello everyone, this is Dr. Luis from Spain. I'm here in Bizrahmed, Dubai to offer you something unique, totally different to stop snoring. You heard about systems online, you heard about these masks on the night with oxygen supply on bed. Forget. This system is lab-made, it's customized, it's your size. We use inside the mouth and observe this hinge. Thanks to this hinge, then we move the lower jaw down forward. Automatically we open the pass for the air and we dramatically stop snoring. Please contact today Bizrahmed and call for appointment.